Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to request access to Shopify store. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to contact the store owner. Reach out to the owner of the Shopify store you want to access. You can do this by sending them an email, reaching out through social media, or using any other contact methods available. Now explain your request. Clearly explain why you want to access their store and what specific access you need. For example, you may want to collaborate on a project, provide support, or may offer marketing services. Be detailed about your intentions and how accessing the store will benefit both parties. Now provide credentials or information. So depending on the nature of your request, the store owner may require certain credentials or information from you to validate your identity or expertise. This could include your company details, portfolio, references, or any other relevant information that demonstrates your capabilities. Respect privacy and security. So always respect the store owner's privacy and security of their store. Avoid requesting access to sensitive information or performing actions without proper authorization. Ensure that your request aligns with ethical business practices and legal guidelines. Now follow the owner's instructions. So once you've made your request, follow any instructions or guidelines provided by the store owner. They may have specific procedures or requirements for granting access to their store. Now, establish collaboration terms. So if your request is approved, discuss and establish clear terms for collaboration, including access privileges, responsibilities, and other any agreements or contracts that needs to be put in place. So remember, requesting access to someone else's Shopify store is at the discretion of the store owner. They have the right to accept or decline your request based on their own criteria. Always maintain professionalism and courtesy throughout the process and be understanding if your request is not granted. Okay? And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.